Are you tired of sharing code snippets that look plain and boring on your Elementor site? Learn how to unlock the Code Highlight widget in under 2 minutes. We'll start by editing your homepage in Elementor. Then we'll click through the Highlight and Pro menus to reveal the Code Highlight widget. Finally, you'll upgrade and activate it. Start by going to Edit Home with Elementor. Then click on Highlight. And now, click on Highlight once more. Next, click on Pro. Then click on Pro again. Now click on Code Highlight. Click on Use Code Highlight widget and dozens more Pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Finally, click on Upgrade Now, and that's all there is to it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.